That's a ring.
Yay!
Hello.
Hi everyone. So this is the first day
Of ice fishing.
Ice fishing. Yeah.
At Centre touristique du Lac Simon.
It's a beautiful day. It's sunny. It's 7 degrees.
Well, -7 degrees.
Oh, -7 degrees. Yeah, that's right. -7 degrees, and let's see what we're gonna catch today. Look who's here. Mr. Laurent. Getting ready. Nice. And Carole.
On est sur un lac. Hello.
So 1/3 there.
Okay,
No,
so
no, not all the way up.
Oh, I
one
start
third.
here.
Dress it.
Yes.
With the hook. I'm so proud.
This one should not touch the ground.
Yeah, I
It's a
think
small-
I added like
The
bunch
other
of.
one it's okay because there is a small weight, and then the worm will be like this above the ground. Carole!
Carole, on a un bébé.
Bébé.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's. Oh my God, that's a nice drop. That's a ring.
Yay!
Oh!
It's the Joker was one.
Oh my gosh, the Joker won. It's a video so we can move. I'm having so much fun.
So we're back. We had a very good day of fishing.
Oh, it stinks.
How many did we catch today?
Technically 2, but someone gave us 5 or 6.
Those are eggs.
Oh, guys, we have caviar.
It's actually caviar.
Look, caviar.
Those are eggs. That was a female.
They're all clean, slimy. I'm gonna cook them soon.